Hey, what's going on, everybody? I had a follower on my channel reach out to me, and he sees that the neighborhood I'm in is close to his, so I'm riding over to see him to show him the bike. He's interested in one of these Trikes. Hi, Bruce.
Yeah,
nice to meet you.
Yeah.
You don't mind if I film it, do you?
No. Yeah, I got my bike there, right there. That's the one I wrecked on 2 years ago. I was reaching for my water bottle and everything went black.
Just like that?
Yeah, and the next thing I know, these two guys are like, man, are you all right? And I'm like, where am I? And they're like, you just had a bad bike wreck. And I'm like, really?
Somebody?
And, yeah, I just
out of nowhere, you didn't see it coming?
No, I just blacked out because of dehydration.
Oh, okay. You didn't get hit.
No, I was reaching for my water bottle, actually.
That's why I keep one on there.
Yeah, and
so what are your injuries?
Well, I broke my shoulder. There's a bump on my shoulder on the top.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, and then I dislocated a tube disc in my lower back. And then my last one in my neck, I herniated it too.
Right.
So I have no more disc in my neck. I've had like 6 off the back.
Oh yeah, scrape. I can see the surgical marks. Yeah.
And I got bone on bone on both knees. I haven't been doing anything. All I do is walk 3 miles in the morning.
That's great. That's really good. You can do that.
And that guy there.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah. I like the little skull on the front there.
That's Pirates of the Caribbean. Yep, this is it.
I hear a lot of bad things about when it comes into the mail.
Well, the shipping's been a little bad. Not all the time, but a lot of the way they pack it, it's folded and it's on a plastic disc that holds it to the bottom of the cardboard. Oh, okay. It doesn't come on a wooden pallet.
Right.
So they freight it out through shipping, or the FedEx people. The FedEx people pick it up, and they're the ones that are
they're terrible, man.
You know, their handling is not all that great. But there it is. The only problems mine had were bent wheels.
Wow.
And they weren't bent bad, and they sent me new wheels. I mean, that's how great this company is. Lectric is fantastic about everything.
Cool.
Even if your fenders are dented, they'll send you new fenders.
Wow.
There's not a problem at all. I put some accessories on it. The great thing about this bike is it's not a single chain to where both wheels spin. It's like a limited slip disc rear end, to where when you turn, the other wheel it stops.
Oh, right.
You know, so your turning's a lot easier. They give you an option to either get 2 of the baskets, the front and the back, and then a seat. It's worth getting baskets because,
oh yeah,
I mean, I can put a full cooler in here and I can go to the store and get stuff. The great thing about this is you can get out and ride. So many great places to ride here in this area. The trails.
It's 20 miles. I can ride for 20 miles in here.
All safe too. In pass 1, pass 2, if you're going real slow, yeah, you can pedal but it's so free that you're not really building up a lot of muscle doing it. You're just spinning. It's not real hard to pedal.
Right.
Once you get going, it's just you're turning your legs.
Right. You don't really have any gears.
No, there's no gears. This is a one single speed, except for what you do on your pass. You have a pass 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay.
And
so if you're going like 13 miles an hour and you try to pedal, you're going to be pedaling really fast.
It's called ghost pedaling. Yeah, you're getting, you know, unless you let it catch up with itself, and you're not on the throttle, then just pedaling, it'll pedal, and it'll kick in and then kick out, and it'll catch up with itself, and it's pretty cool. I've got over 1,000 miles on it, and I just noticed my chain down here is a little loose. I need to tighten this one up. Do you have good arm strength still? And
oh yeah, it took me a while to recuperate from that one.
Well, let's see if you can ride it. You want to give it a try? Here, let's turn it around so you just don't go that way. That's too short.
Okay.
And the good thing is it's really mobile. I was thinking of probably getting some fold-in pedals so that I could put in a little closer to walk. It's hard to walk this bike without hitting the pedal. That's the main reason why I use Tannis armor in the tires, is because you get a flat on this, it's going to be hard walking it home.
Oh yeah, I know.
And they've done, you can see the tires are bald. I swear by Tannis armor. They've done a great job with that product. No, it's an insert. It's a foam insert. Yeah, it's a liner, exactly. And a lot of people on there talk about going off to the right when they first get on the bike, or going off to the left because of uneven roads.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so the most important thing about this bike is it's in your mind, basically, what's going to happen, because it's a trike. And that's how I get on, and I grab the brake right here, and you don't have to hold these real tight. They work real easy, and then I pull myself up. And what's going to happen is you're going to get on here. I'm going to tell you to use the throttle instead of pedaling. Going to start moving, and you're going to feel like you're going off to the right. What it is on this bike, pull right, lean right.
Oh, okay.
Pull left, lean left.
Oh.
So if it feels like it's pulling to the right for you, you,
yeah,
lean left. Pull your left arm in.
all right.
Or if it's going left, pull your right hand in and lean a little bit.
Okay.
And then you can, it's real easy to straighten it out. Grab your brake with your left hand, put your foot up on that pedal. Now grab your right hand there. And let's see, let's put you on just a pass one. You can pedal. Just take your thumb off the throttle and pedal it. That's pass one. And then you can use just throttle.
Huh?
You can use just throttle.
Wow, that's pretty cool. I like that.
Go ahead, ride it around, ride it to the stop sign. Oh, he's picking it up. He's leaning left to make the left turn. See how your pedaling is?
Yeah.
It's not bad in pass one. And you do get by.
Right.
You save the battery a lot that way. And you see, you're leaning left and leaning right to make your little turns.
Oh yeah, this is nice. I like this. Hydraulic brake.
Yes, they are. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
put fluid in there. So to change this to 2.
See, it's going a little quicker now.
I like that.
Yeah, I knew you would.
I like that. I'm gonna get me one.
Yeah. And then there's a key for the battery. I undo it and take it in the house and charge it after every ride.
Wow.
Is if you're under power while you're riding, if you touch the brake, it takes the power out. Stops it automatically. Yep, you can take your dog with you in the basket.
That battery lasts a pretty long time. Huh?
Yeah, it does. It's a lithium battery. I haven't seen where one person has said they've had a fire with this battery.
Yeah, I'd probably charge it in the
Yeah, every time I ride, I take it off, I put it on my counter.
I'd probably put it in my tool shed.
Well, you just,
You can do it in your house?
yeah, to keep it cool.
Oh,
I don't
that's a
trust
good
it being out in the heat.
Good idea.
And it's been fine. I've had this for over a year now. And the battery doesn't get hot when you're charging it. The charger does. The charger gets warm. It gets pretty warm.
Yeah.
Well, I'm really glad.
Yeah, it's solid too. I
Yeah.
thought it was gonna be rinky.
No, it looks cheesy in the videos. Like you said, there's a few of them there where it
Even
looks like a...
in the pictures they have on their website, it even looks cheesy. But it's nice and solid though.
Yep.
Yeah, I could dig riding this.
Good enough. You get one, we'll ride together.
Yeah, I like riding around here.
Heck yeah. You'll get addicted. You'll want to ride it every afternoon.
Oh, I know.
And right now, the beautiful sunset. Well, this'll help you out with that. The pedal assist and having the power over here to get you through some when you're in it and when you're out of it. And that's just about all you need. And the accessories for your water cup and your phone, if you know.
I got a phone thing just like that on my bike.
Yeah.
exactly like that.
with the rubber mount where you tighten it.
Yeah.
Okay, Bruce.
It's got the clip on.
Yeah.
The clip, you know.
Yeah, where you tighten it to the different sizes of rubber that they give you.
Rubber
The fillers. Yeah. Let me get out of here before it rains.
Yeah. Well, thanks a lot for coming by.
No, thank you for contacting me, and I was very pleased to come over and help you look at this.
Yeah, I'm glad you have this bike.
And get you out and about. All right, Bruce, I got to go, buddy.
Yep.
It was nice meeting you, man.
Yeah, man. Yep. Thanks for bringing it by.
You're very welcome. All right, I'm gonna get back. Okay, Bruce? All right, we'll see you, buddy. That was a lot of fun. I'm glad I did that. He wants one of these, which is just fantastic. Take care. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you on the next one.